Hey guys, what's up? Please like and subscribe. Thanks.
Today we will be playing basketball. Now our ball's flat. Well, it's not really ours, but it's someone else's, but it's really flat. So let's
sunny.
go.
It's kind of sunny.
Alright, watch. It is very flat. Boom.
Here, give me.
Make a basket.
Here, give me. I want to shoot. I can't see. Okay, I suck at basketball.
Well, let me try then.
I will. Hold on. Oh. Hold on. Why don't you do it one more time? Then I'll let you. Yeah, watch the basket. Oh my.
My turn. You said it one more time.
I know. So we each get how many? 4 times?
5 since you did that.
I did 4. That was the first one.
Oh! They got better at basketball than you, Kai.
I don't know how to
This
play.
doesn't count.
Yeah, it does. You tried shooting for it.
No, doesn't count.
Yeah, it does.
No. That one counts.
Oh, that was
Every time.
nice. It's zoomed in a little bit. One. Two.
Guys, we are about to have s'mores, but my mom got to get the campfire. She's over there.
Yes, 3. You can videotape that.
Sorry.
Four.
Here, I'll just keep it on here.
No, show them where I am. 1, 2. Guys, I'm right here.
He's there, and you got to make it all over there.
Elena didn't videotape the first time I made.
Sorry, guys, it's kind of shaky.
Oh, you see that?
Oh, yeah.
Here.
There you go.
Alright, hold on. I can't see the camera.
Ready?
Yeah.
Crap, I can't see.
Oh.
Can I kind of redo it slipped?
Yeah. Hold on. Go.
Again. How many times was that? That was 3?
Yeah, that was about 3.
I got the moves like Jagger. Okay. Keep the camera on me. I'll get the ball.
Back up more. See if you can make it from back. Okay, guys, she's back there. The hoop's up there. Let me zoom in on this. She made it. That was sick.
And just saying, guys, I've never played basketball before.
But she plays softball.
Alright. There, all the way to there. See if you can make it. I'll go try.
I'm going for it again, though.
I'm gonna back up so I can try to get the whole thing. 4, 5. It's not our shed. Our shed's right here. This is our shed. And we got really sucky sheds. But across the street got really nice sheds. Where'd the ball go?
It went back there.
Here. Gotta go get it.
Yeah, the ball fell in the back. But there's poison ivy back here.
And there's no way we can get to it.
I'm not going for it. Look, guys. We have to go all the way down there.
Okay. No, but just ruined our basketball.
Yeah.
Thanks.
We still have a little. There's the grill. Hey, Mom. I'm gonna see you to it. It's warm.
I'll get s'mores ready.
Okay. My sister hasn't seen Ant-Man yet.
Yeah, they watched it without me.
Yeah. But me and my mom were watching this scary movie
So am I just
called The Forest.
back. Goodies.
Yeah.
I get steak. Hi, we need to go hunting for steak.
This is my guinea pig, guys.
It's brand new. Brenda's died.
Yeah, our first guinea pig. Well, our second guinea pig died. But he's so cute.
Yeah. He's kind of shy.
Okay, what are we gonna be doing?
We need to find sticks. That's our mission.
Sticks?
We can't go in this forest over here. Bye. We're gonna have to walk around.
Okay.
Now I have shorts on, so it might scratch.
You guys can obviously that. Not wearing anything like that.
Oh, I'm never wearing any tank top, but I have a jacket.
There's a car in the back up there. Excuse me.
There's cat trail.
Oh yeah. See a little trail there. Cat.
Alright, so we need to find really good sticks. Can we go over there?
You want to?
Yeah, where the hideout is. Oranges.
Oh, oranges. Oh, it's wet.
Look at how she went in.
Lena, do we need sticks like this?
No, long ones.
Oh, they won't fit in the grill.
We need long ones. And they have to be good. Found it.
Is this a good stick, Lena?
No, they have to be skinny.
Seriously. Oh, little pine tree fell.
Yeah. Yeah, someone cut it down.
Ah.
See, like this.
How about this? No. Oh, that would burn pretty good. Sorry, guys. There's no...
Termites in it.
Here, hold this way on video. That looks like... No. I don't think that's poison ivy. No.
We could go
Gosh, gotta go to the bathroom.
this way.
Sounds like in the woods. Whoops. I just dropped my camera. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at... Where is she going? Oh. You alright?
And we're all filled.
Come on, come back.
Ow!
You alright? Ouch. Yeah, bad idea, guys. We're heading out.
But I still need a stick.
Get the stick. Pick the stick up. No. Yeah. You alright?
Like,
Skinny?
there you go. There's some really good ones over here, Kyle.
Okay.
They're better than yours.
It's awesome. Come out! Whoa.
Why am I carrying your stick?
Because I'm videoing. There's Elena back there.
Just saying, guys, it's really hard.
Look at those shoes, though.
Ow. Oh, crap. Okay, we're good.
Move out.
Oh, the back hurts.
Alright. Let's go. Hold on. That white car all the way down there is our car. Come on. Look at those.